Hey guys, welcome back. This is still KISSIMMEE MECUM auction 2025. This is the Nevada collection. We'll start here with the 66 Pontiac GTO convertible, tri-power 389, 360 horsepower V8 4-speed. Nice race red. So with a white interior. So you wanted a bright red so the police can see it coming down the road. It's got some matching red line tires on there. This thing looks just like when it came out of the showroom. It is absolutely beautiful. Even still has the AM/FM radio. It is a really pretty car, tri-power car. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Next in the Nevada collection, we have a 68 Chevy Camaro Z28 302 V8 4-speed, and this was completely restored, nut bolt restoration. It looks just like the day it came out of the showroom. Its numbers matching. It is certified. It is a beautiful dark green color with white stripes on it. So this again is a 68 that looks like it just came out of the showroom. It's number S300 in the book. It is a beautiful one of only 7,199 Camaro Z28s produced for 1968. It is a beautiful car. Next we have a really sweet Dodge Challenger here. This again is in the Mike Flynn Jr. Memorial Collection. This is a 71 Dodge Challenger convertible, one of only 126 Challenger convertibles produced with the 383 4-barrel V8 and an automatic torque flight transmission. Beautiful console car, white interior. This beautiful, was a mustard yellow, I don't know what color this is. You guys know, put down in the comments what color this is. It only has 59,000 miles on it. It is in the gallons registry with a nice shaker hood there. Check that out. Another car in Mike Flynn's collection, the Mike Flynn Jr. collection. It's 1970 Dodge Charger RT 440 390 horsepower 6-pack, one of only 347 4-speeds with the Super Track Pack. So lime green RT 1970. So has 18,000 original miles. This car is going to go for, they're thinking about 175 to 220,000 miles. There's the inside, black interior, and it has the pistol grip right there. Pistol grip is in there. So really sweet car. Beautiful car. Now this is a white billboard, white interior, purple 440 CUDA. One of only 108 V-code CUDA hardtops produced with the 4-speed manual transmission 71. Now, this is a CUDA, it's not a Barracuda. They're different cars. It does have the shaker hood. Beautiful car, has all the paperwork, comes with it. I said 71 Plymouth CUDA coupe, about $250,000 to $275,000. Has a pistol grip, wood grain, and it's got the big white billboard, polyglass tires. Here's a Skyliner. Commonwealth of Pennsylvania from 1957 was inspected. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner. This is from the Double G collection. It is a beautiful car. Two-tone interior. Really, really sweet. $1958 Edsel Pacer convertible. That is an Edsel, one of 1,876 produced, 361 cubic inch V8, push button automatic. Check out that engine, guys. You love the bright yellow, you love the white trim. And this was the Edsel, the car that was deemed so ugly they had to cancel it, named after Ford's kid. But you know what? Time has been good to this thing. This thing actually has a really nice look to it now. And there's your push button transmission selector right there. It's got like that flying saucer speedometer at the top. So it's a very, very cool car. There's also a lot of Corvettes here, guys. I'm not going to spend too much time on the Corvettes, but we're going to take a walk down Corvette Road here. This is part of the Double G collection. So if we go down, we've got a 1953 Corvette Roadster, first year. Still has the 235 Blue Flame 6. It's one of only 300 produced. This is an original 1953. They came in any color as long as it was white. This was a white with a red interior with the Blue Flame 6. The only 6-cylinder Corvette right there. Then there's a beautiful blue 54 Corvette Roadster. This also has the 235 Blue Flame 6. Yeah, you caught me. This is a 54 with also the 6-cylinder. Same body style, but these two first generations had the 6 cylinders in them, and then after that they went to V8s. So yes, there is a 6-cylinder Corvette out there, but they are very, very difficult to find in any kind of good condition. All right, we have a beautiful red and white. I believe this is a 55. It is a 55 265 cubic inch V8, one of only 700 produced. This is a National Top Flight Award winner. It's a carbureted version. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Out of this, a 1956 Chevy Corvette convertible, 265, 225 horsepower V8, 3-speed. Another National Top Flight Award winner. No reserve car. This is black with the gray insert, red interior. We have this gorgeous bronze with white insert, fuel injected 57 Chevy Corvette convertible right here. Fuel injected 283, automatic, triple crown recipient. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. 58 Chevy Corvette convertible, fuel injected, 283, 290 horsepower, V8, Top Flight Award winner. In this beautiful giant yellow bird, big bird type color with a white insert over here. Only has 48,000 miles, black seats, black steering wheel with the hardtop. Here's a beautiful red and white with red on red interior, fuel injected car. 1961 Chevy Corvette convertible, fuel injected, 283, 4-speed, a National Top Flight Award winner. So this is all from the Double G collection. They are selling a lot of Corvettes here today. As you can see, there's the Double G collection right there. They have a couple cars. They've got Corvettes, they got Mercedes, they got all kinds of stuff. Here is a 63 Chevy Corvette split window coupe. Yes, a real split window coupe. from the Double G collection. Fuel injected, 327, 4-speed, top flight award winner. Silver with black interior. What a beautiful car. Even has power windows. Check that out. Here's a 64. Notice split window, not split window. Corvette. Now a lot of the people that bought the split windows in 63 would actually cut the spine out and install a 64 on their 63, because these things have terrible rear view in the mirror. So what they would do is they would take a 64 window and put it in a 63. So, but beautiful gold exterior, camel interior, fuel injected 64 Chevy Coupe, fuel injected 327. Here's a 66 Chevy Corvette convertible with the big block 427, 425 horse, 4-speed, top flight winner. Again, all these are going no reserve. That doesn't mean you're going to be able to get them cheap. It just means they're going to have no reserve. Beautiful black on the inside and a bluish gray on the outside. Absolutely stunning. Here's a black, and is that a brown interior? Nope, black interior, white seats. And this is a 67 Chevy Corvette convertible, L79, 327, 350 horsepower, 4-speed, one of only 1,553 factory air-equipped convertibles for 67. Again, part of the Double G collection. We have a couple more here. This is Michael Fox collection, and this is a 69 Mercedes-Benz 280 SE convertible and a 69 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL convertible from the Michael Fox collection. FUX, guys, not FOX. All right, we got a couple other cars here we're gonna walk through and check out. Hey everybody, please check out all our videos from the MECUM auction in Kissimmee 2025. And if you want to see them before everybody else, become a member. Thanks. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.